How can you search for records by social security number? Hello, this is Dave at AFX Search, licensed investigators. A lot of times we have clients that are looking for particular information that are held by social security number. First of all, we're going to talk about the difference of what's available as a licensed investigator versus a private citizen. If you're a private citizen, what can you do to find records by social security number? First thing is that these records will not be online. Now, social security numbers are generally prohibited from being published online or used in online records. So online is not the place to look because most records will not have social security numbers, and if they do, they may be incorrect or may even be illegal to be where they're at. Online will be easier, but it's not going to be accurate or complete. So where do you look as a private individual? You may want to look at locations where the social security number was provided voluntarily, maybe mortgage applications, maybe third parties such as landlords, accountants, business partners, spouses, former spouses. Each one of those parties will have some information about the subject based on social security number. Now, the question is going to be, can that be released? In most cases, those types of parties may not have legal requirements to protect that information. Whether they would want to do that voluntarily or not, that's going to depend on the circumstances and how they're approached by you as a private individual. You also may want to cross-reference different documents. What you may find, there may be some documents that have redacted social security numbers. Remember, a social has three groups: a group of three, a group of two, and a group of four. Sometimes a document will cross off the last four digits of a social and leave the first five. In some cases, they'll cross off the first five and leave the last four. So if you can match those up on different documents, you may be able to find something that records a record to your client. That's one of the many resources and techniques that are used by investigators to be able to locate documents. You may also find that some documents, the social is actually redacted from the record, it's blocked off, but if it's a PDF file or some other type of file, it may still exist in the meta documents or the meta records. It may not be intended to be remaining in meta data, but it still might be there. Those are just a few of the techniques that are used by private investigators. Private citizens may be able to get some information based on social security number, but it's more likely going to be where it was provided voluntarily by the client, either on a bank application, credit application, a landlord may have it, an accountant may have it, or a third party such as a business partner. If you need more information on searching for documents by social security number, you can reach us at our website, afxsearch.com, and we'd be glad to help.